Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Olaplex kit is probably one of the most talked about hair repair treatments on the market. If you're struggling with dry, brittle, or chemically treated hair, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Olaplex Hair Treatment Kit, exploring its benefits, how it works, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if this kit is the ultimate solution for your damaged locks. Number 5. Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This is Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair and strengthen your hair. This product will leave your hair feeling incredibly soft. Is your hair damaged? This conditioner works to repair broken bonds within each strand. It helps to restore your hair's natural health. Not only does it repair, but it also strengthens your hair. The formula nourishes all hair types, providing essential care. Whether you have fine, thick, straight, or curly hair, this conditioner is for you. It's formulated to benefit all hair types, ensuring everyone can experience its benefits. Experience the difference with Olaplex No. 5. It leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft and adds a beautiful, healthy shine. You'll love how your hair looks and feels. What we like? This conditioner repairs and strengthens all hair types. It adds shine and leaves your hair feeling soft. If you have dry or damaged hair, you should consider this to restore your hair's health and vitality. What people say. My hair is now shiny, silky. It took a few wash and conditioning cycles in a week to get rid of all the tangles in my hair and relax my brittle ends. This product has changed my hair dramatically. I've been using for about 9 months. It's the very first thing I put on my hair after washing the bleach out. It feels delicious. Luxurious. Silky. Smooth. No more gummy wet hair damage. No more dry straw hair breaking off in clumps. And the more I use it, every time I shampoo, the stronger and silkier my hair gets. Number 4. Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. This is Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's designed to repair and strengthen your hair. This shampoo will leave your hair feeling soft and looking its best. Is your hair damaged? This shampoo works to repair the bonds in your hair. It helps to restore your hair's natural strength and vitality. Not only does it repair, but it also strengthens and nourishes. This formula provides essential nutrients to keep your hair healthy and resilient. No matter your hair type, this shampoo is for you. Whether your hair is fine, thick, straight, or curly, it will work wonders. Get ready for shiny, soft hair. It adds incredible shine and leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft to the touch. You'll love the results. What we like? This shampoo repairs and strengthens all hair types. It also adds shine and leaves your hair feeling soft. If you are looking for a daily cleanser that also repairs and strengthens, you should consider this. What people say. The Olaplex kit has visibly improved the health and appearance of my hair. My hair feels stronger and more resilient. The product has helped to repair damage from heat styling and coloring. Number 3. Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. This is Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. It's a concentrated formula designed to transform your hair. It visibly smooths and softens, leaving your hair looking and feeling its best. This oil provides a high shine finish while also protecting your hair from heat. It's perfect for styling with hot tools, keeping your hair healthy and vibrant. The Olaplex No. 7 enhances color vibrancy. It helps to maintain the richness and depth of your hair color, making it look fresh and radiant. Say goodbye to frizz with this amazing oil. It offers up to 72 hours of frizz control, keeping your hair smooth and manageable in any weather. Olaplex No. 7 is suitable for all hair types. Whether your hair is fine, thick, straight, or curly, this oil will work wonders, leaving it healthy and beautiful. Get ready to experience the power of Olaplex No. 7. This 1 fluid ounce bottle is packed with benefits, giving you the best hair possible. What we like? This oil is a heat protectant and adds color vibrancy while controlling frizz. It visibly smooths and softens hair. If you like to style your hair with heat tools and want to protect your color, you should consider this. What people say. It's lightweight, smells great, and never makes my hair greasy. After just a few uses, my hair feels softer, smoother, and looks so shiny. It protects from heat and leaves hair looking healthy. It makes my hair smooth and shiny without feeling sticky or greasy. A little goes a long way, it absorbs quickly, and it leaves my hair looking healthier and more polished. Number 2. Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother Hair Cream. This is Olaplex No. 6, a leave-in styling cream. It's designed to smooth and condition your hair, leaving it feeling stronger and healthier. The cream works to tame frizz and flyaways. It provides a sleek and polished look, making your hair more manageable. This treatment helps to rebuild broken bonds within the hair. It strengthens each strand, reducing breakage and promoting overall hair health. Enjoy up to 72 hours of frizz control with this amazing product. It keeps your hair smooth and manageable, even in humid conditions. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, this product is perfect for you. It's suitable for all hair types and textures. Get ready to experience the difference with this 3.3 fluid ounces bottle. A little goes a long way to transform your hair. What we like. This leave-in styling cream smooths and conditions your hair while controlling frizz. It also strengthens your hair. If you are looking for a product to tame frizz and make your hair more manageable, you should consider this. What people say. I have so much less frizz since using this product. It makes my hair smooth, reduces frizz and helps my hair air dry a lot faster than without. It's improved his hair tremendously. It's a very high-quality product and extremely effective. Number 1. Olaplex No. 0 Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. Is your hair feeling weak and damaged? This treatment is designed to repair and protect your hair from the inside out. It's a perfect solution for revitalizing your locks. This is Olaplex No. 0, an intensive bond-building treatment. It works to rebuild broken bonds, restoring your hair's strength and structure. This will make your hair healthier. The treatment deeply repairs and strengthens all hair types. It helps to reduce breakage and split ends. You'll notice a significant improvement in your hair's overall health. Not only does it repair, but it also protects your hair from future damage. It creates a shield against environmental stressors. This will keep your hair looking its best. Whether you have fine, thick, straight, or curly hair, this treatment is for you. It's formulated to work on all hair types, providing universal benefits. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. This intensive treatment repairs and protects your hair. It strengthens all hair types. If you have severely damaged hair or are looking for an intensive treatment to rebuild your hair's structure, you should consider this. What people say. My hair is thinning and I have some problems with damaged hair that is very coarse and breaks easily. This product started changing my hair on the very first time I use it. I bought the whole lineup and it did wonders for my bleached damaged hair. I have felt a marked difference in my hair texture since using the product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.